everyone, this is Kelsey from Justuno, and I've got your Uno tip of the week. We're going to be talking about optimizing for the holidays that aren't Black Friday, Cyber Monday. The first thing you want to consider is theming your current promotions. Your welcome offer, exit offer, card banner, and making sure that your imagery or style from your email is also present on your actual promotion. The second thing to think about is holiday incentives. A nice free gift or an extra percentage off. If you usually offer 10% off on your welcome offer, consider bumping that up to 15%. Or add a free gift for the holiday. If you are unable to update your current promotions to theme towards the holiday, or that's not something that's within your brand guidelines, consider using a banner. A banner that follows visitors from page to page and reminds them that there's a holiday, that you're running a special sale, you're offering free shipping. People are more likely to spend during these times, so reminding them is never a bad thing. Finally, are you sending out emails? Are you letting your current visitors know that you're doing something on site? Once you get somebody to make a purchase, it tends to be easier to get them to come back and make a second purchase. This is Kelsey from Justuno. Thanks for watching, and we wish you CRO luck.